Hi, in the last session we discussed about fields and the type of fields and how to create fields. In today's session we discuss about layout. What is a layout? How to create layout? So layout in Aquagin controls how information is displayed to users for a particular object. It defines the arrangement of fields, sections and related lists on a record details page. For example, in a customer object, you can design a layout that shows basic information at the top: name, email, phone, or address if we have, and order history in a related section. Layout help ensure that users see the most relevant data in an organized way, improving efficiency and reducing clutter. Now, to create layout, click on this layout button under the object customer. Now click on this customer layout. Here you see this layout panel. You see the tab containing details section. Under this we have a text name details, and we have a parent layout, and then we have some child layouts. By default, the name field, which is generated by the object, is already present in the layout section. To place other fields that we created, click on this left side arrow button. Now click on fields. Now drag and drop the fields that you want to insert inside this layout panel. Drag and drop in the light green area. We can drag and drop those fields directly inside this layout. But that is not called a good practice. So to properly design a layout, we use layouts to place these fields. So click again on this arrow button and then under layout components, choose layout. Now give the placing for this layout. For example, click on this layout and click on this right side arrow button. Now under number of columns, choose 2. You see the column span is 12, but after 2, when we click on anywhere outside, the column span is divided into 6. Again, if we do not choose the number of columns as 2 and we remain it as 1 and we leave it as 1, then you see we see there is only one column at a time, address, then we have phone number. But if we make it as 2, you see it shows in 2 columns. Now place this email field here and then click on this layout and drag it in this layout section. Here you see we successfully place the fields inside layout. Now click on this save button. Now go to front end and refresh the page. Now click on customers and click on this pencil icon. Under fields, in the left side you see the fields which are hidden, and on the right side you see the fields which is currently displaying. For example, created date, last modified date, and name is displayed. You can also see in list view created date, last modified date, and name. Now we make some fields visible. For example, email, phone number, and address. Now click on Save. Refresh the list view. You see these fields are now displaying. Now to store data in such fields, click on this Customer button. Click on Save. You see the details of Ramesh is stored. Now if we refresh this list view, you can see the data is displaying. Thank you.